Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI schools, and our mission today, my dear students, it is a revision for the final exam term 2, and let us start. First of all, we will take this equation with variable in the both side. Okay, you know what you have to do, yes? I know you know, but just we have to make practice for the test. Okay. Now, as you know, this is the left side and this is the right side. Yes, my dear students? Okay. The first step, all of time you have to check each side, okay? If you can combine a like term in the same side. Here I have any combine. Okay, yes, actually I have this 7m with negative 2m, okay, which equal 5m. So 5m plus 3, what I did, I combined this, equal negative 3m plus 11. As you see, my dear student, I did not touch the right side here, okay? It is still as it is, yes? So I'm done from this. Now what I have to do, great, we have to put the variables in the same side. So let us go. I will put the variable. So I have to throw the negative. Yes, my students know that. So I will move this here, okay, and change the sign. Don't forget that. And as you see, 5m plus 3m, it is give 8m. 8m. Now minus 3, so here eliminated, and here will be 8. Yes, then divide by 8, this will be eliminated, the m coming down alone and happy, as you know, yes, which equal 1. We done. Are you happy with that? So the first step, my dear student, check if you need to combine in the same side, then throw the variables from side to side to put them in the same side, then you know what you have to do. One more example about this. 2m negative 3 equal 2 multiply quantity of m negative 1. Now tell me, what is the first step? Yes, left side and right side. I know you know. I know that. What is after this step? Break the parentheses. Yes, Ali's story. Ali will visit this and farm, home and farm. So the work will happen in the blue side. So this will be 2m negative 2, and here I have 2m negative 3. Good, good. As you see here, if you check the variables when you try to throw each one or to put them in the same side, you see I have the same letter and the same coefficient, okay? So if I throw anyone, I will get 0. Here it will be negative, so I will get like this. Or if I throw the other one, like this one, see, if I throw this also, I get the same answer. Yes, this will be eliminated, 2m and negative 2m, and at the end I get what? Negative 3 equal negative 2. In this case, you have to write there are no solution. Okay, teacher, sometime after I eliminated all of them, I get the same number in the left and the right side. It is also no solution. No, if you get the same number in the left and the right, you call it is infinite solution. Okay, infinitely many solution. My student know that. Okay, are you happy with that? The last one about this. It is 3 multiply the quantity of 4m negative 2 equal negative 6 plus 12b. 12m, sorry. Now break the parentheses as you know. So it will be 12m negative 6 equal negative 6 plus 12m. What you see here? I see here I have 12m and here I have 12m also. Positive 12, positive 12, because this is included positive, if you don't know. So in this case it will eliminate it with each other, and as you see here they are the same. In the left I have the same number with the right, so in this case I have infinite solutions. Okay, are you happy with that? I hope so. Let us continue. Now we move to this part. Who want to read? Very important to read the question carefully. Write each set in roster form, and then in set builder notation. Good. What I said to my students, roster form, it is translate the word to the numbers. For example, number 9. I will write it in roster form firstly. Okay, I will write it in roster form. Number 9. M is the set of integers that are greater than negative 1 and less than 4. So you have to mention all the numbers between negative 1 and 4. It is greater than negative 1. Greater than negative 1, my dear student. It is the number that start with 0 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Teacher, stop. 7, no, 8. Stop, because he said less than 4. Oh my God, yes. So less than 4, the numbers, it is here, those numbers. So I write the letter name, what he asked me to write, to name M equal, and write the numbers, and this way called roster form. So roster form, my dear student, you have to mention the numbers in this way. So translate the words. I translate the words meaning to numbers. Good. Now this is the roster form. What's about, teacher, the set builder notation? You ask me. It is very, very sad story. No, I'm joking. It is a happy story, because all of my students know that if he asks me to write in set builder notation, I have to do like this. M equal X line or shakhta. Okay, then write the kind or the type or the the group or the set of numbers, which is integers. X is integer and comma, and then write the inequality, which is x greater than x greater than negative 1 and less than 4. and we close this. So the set builder notation, how many parts, teacher? This part, it is for all set builder notation. This part, it is bring from the question. It is integer, it is a whole number, it is natural, okay? And the last part, the inequality part, it is coming from here. Okay, my dear student, are you happy with that? Me too. Okay. Let me take one more example for, I know my students know that. I know. I'm sure about this. But it is for the other students. Let us take 11. Okay, I will write it firstly for a roster form. What we said about roster form, translate from word to numbers. So B is the set of natural numbers that are less than 11. Okay, P, I will start P equal, I draw the curly sign here, and write all the numbers that less than 11, which is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, oh my god, I have to write to the negative infinity because he said less than 11. But you have to say stop. He said natural number, and the natural number, it is the number that you take in the kg. It is started from 1, 2, 3, 4 only, without 0. So you have to stop here because he mentioned natural number. يا مرحبا بذكر الله. Okay, you have to stop with 1. Okay, you know why you stop in the 1 and not in the 0? Because it is a natural number, there is no 0. This is the roster form. What's about the set builder notation? يا مرحبا بذكر الله. Okay, now a set builder notation, we draw B equal curly sign x align. X is natural, yes, from here. Okay, comma, now I have to write the inequality. X less than 11. We done. Okay, let us move to the second part. This or this or this or this. I ordered them correctly, actually. Yes, here we are here. Here, good. Now, my dear student, can you read the question for me, please? Read it for me. Good. Now, he asked me to write the solution. Sorry. To write the solution in set builder notation. Doesn't matter. We know how to write in set builder notation. First of all, we have to solve the inequality. Let us take 13. It is okay. All of you knows the first step. Yes, this is the left side, and this is the right side, and we start with -7 in both sides. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. لا إله إلا الله. Okay, now you know the first step. -7 both side. I get this actually. What you have to the next to do at the next step? Yes, divide by 4 and divide by 4. So the y coming alone and happy like me is greater than 4. Now how I can write the solution here in set builder notation? Directly we draw the curly, we write the x and this line or this shakhta. Okay, then you write this. Okay, you write the no. Give me a second. Yes, you write this, you put it here, and you close the curly sign. In this way you write in set builder notation. Are you happy with that? Me too. So teacher, it is easy. We put the solution here, and this part we know it from before. Good boys. Wait a minute, wait a second. I did a mistake here, and it is a common mistake. What is it? Who can tell me? Yes. Who can tell me? Yes. Yes, you have to change the y to the x. Okay? Okay? If you want to write in the set builder notation, you replace the y by the x. All of time you write in x. You change the letter. Good boys. I think it is enough, or it is enough, yes? Okay. Let us move to next. We finish this and this. Good. Now here, no, here. This is the last part. I will let it. Okay, let us take this. Let us take this. Now, read the question, please. Solve each compound inequality. Graph your solution. Let's go. I have this equation, inequality, sorry. It is 4d plus 5 is greater than or equal 13, or, because it is compound, yes, you remember that, or 7d -2 less than 12. What you did, teacher, here? Just I write the question. I don't do anything. Wallah, I don't do anything. Okay, now let us start. I said if you have a compound inequality, instead you were solving one inequality and graph it and write the interval notation. Now you have to deal with two inequalities. Okay, that's all. But there are a common or a connector here, which is or, and you know the sign of or, it is union. Yes, yes, good for you. Okay, now let us start. Here we do here, we work here. It is -5, -5, 4d greater than or equal 8, d greater than or equal 2. Why? Because I divide by 4. I divided by 4. Now I have to graph this. D is greater. Yes, the number line. I put the D at the 2 in the middle. I circle and fill, and D greater to the right, to the positive infinity. I drop the 2, comma, I drop the positive infinity. I close this and open this. This is the first inequality. Let us move to the second one. Here, I will do it individually. So, plus 2, 7d, sorry, let me write it with black, 7d less than 14 divide by 7 divide by 7, so D less than 2. Yes, I don't need this and this. I'm here. Let me graph it. I draw the number line. I drop the 2 in the middle. It is open. D less to the left. Yes, I know you know. And the interval notation, I drop the negative infinity and the 2 in the same order, my dear student. Open from the 2 and open from the negative infinity. Okay, now, oh my God, it is not in the same level. Oh, what I have to do, I will push them up. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Oh, yes, here. Good. It's better like this. And don't forget to write the union or. Or means this sign. Are you happy with that? Me too. Okay. Now, let us move to the next question. So, this, if you ask me about this sign, it is coming from here. Or. Yes. My student know that. Now let me move to, yes. Where is it? Not this, not this. Maybe I lost it in Los Angeles. Yes, this one. This is the second compound inequality. I will rewrite it for you. It's negative 9 less than 3m plus 6 less than or equal 18. Good. The first step, I add negative 6 for the 3 sides. Why, teacher? To make the m alone and happy. So this eliminated, and this will be what? 12. Focus with me. And negative 9 and negative 6, yes, negative 15. Now what I have to do? Yes, divide by 3, all sides. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. So this, the m will be alone and happy, and this will be 4. Yes, and this will be what? Negative 5. He asked me to graph it. I will graph it. I draw the number line, a long one. I drop the negative 5 here and drop the 4 here. Here it is closed. Here it is open. And color the area between them. Now the interval, I drop the negative 5 again and drop the 4 again and comma between them. Here it is open and here it is closed. We done. 3 marks for free. Yes, don't switch. Drop in the same order. Are you happy with that? I hope so. Let us move. We done from this. No, this is the last part. 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 Yes, here. Here. Now read the question, my dear student. Don't scare. Write each interval as inequality. He gave me intervals and he asked me to write it in as inequality. Okay. So in the first interval here, I have negative infinity. So negative infinity means less. So first of all, choose a letter from your head. It is x, teacher. I will choose x. And because it is negative infinity, I will write less. less what? Less or equal. Why less or equal? Because this is closed. Again from the beginning. Okay, he gave me interval, and this interval has a negative infinity. Okay, so the first step, I write the letter. Because it is a negative infinity, so it is less, and because this is close, I have to write this shakhta or this equal sign. Okay, less than what? Negative 1. From where you get the negative 1, teacher? It is from here. Good, we done from this. Or I will write or. Now this interval, I have positive or negative infinity? Positive infinity, so x greater. It is open or closed? Open. Leave it. 3. We done. Are you happy with that? Me too. One more question. Not this. Not this. I'm coming for you. Okay. Where is going? Yes, this one. It is for you. The same story. Write it as interval. He asked me to graph. Then graph. Okay, I will graph it. Don't worry. Okay, let's go. Teacher said I will write the letter. This is the letter. It is positive infinity. That means it is greater. Good. The line, the equal sign, it is come from here because it is closed. Yes. We done. Now, how we can graph it? I drop the 6. I fill the circle, and it is greater to the right. We done. Teacher, can you graph the previous one? Yes, let's go. I draw the number line. I drop the negative 1. I close the circle and move to the left because it is less. Less means the fish will eat the number. Greater means the fish will eat the letter. Remember this. So the 3 will drop down. Circle. It is not filled. It is open. Remember. It is moved to the right to the positive infinity. We graph it. Are you happy with that, my dear students? Me too. What else? Okay. I have 2 questions, my dear student. I think let us take it 2 parts. This the first part, okay, and you have to receive to wait the second part, inshallah. Okay, because it take a long of time. It is many lessons. It is not only 2 or 3 lessons. Thank you for watching, my dear student, and I will see you in the second part and the last part. I promise you, inshallah. I hope you get all the benefits, my dear students, and the full luck to get the full mark. Goodbye.